Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a crucial skill that every welder needs to master: how to weld without warping your metal. Warping can be a real pain, but with a few pro tips, you can keep your projects looking sharp and professional. First off, let's talk about why warping happens. When you weld, the heat causes the metal to expand and contract unevenly. This uneven expansion is what leads to warping. But don't worry, there are ways to manage it. Tip number 1. Use clamps and fixtures. Secure your metal pieces firmly before you start welding. This minimizes movement and helps distribute heat more evenly. Think of it like holding things in place while you glue them, steady and secure. Next up, preheat your metal. This might sound a bit advanced, but it's a game changer. By preheating the metal to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you can reduce the temperature differential, making everything expand and contract more uniformly. Use a propane torch for this step and evenly heat the area you'll be welding. Now let's talk about welding techniques. One of the best methods to avoid warping is to use shorter welds. Instead of welding one long continuous bead, break it up into smaller segments. Weld an inch or two, then move to a different part of your project. This allows the metal to cool down gradually and prevents excessive heat buildup in one spot. Another technique is backstepping. This involves welding in short sections but in the opposite direction of your previous weld. So if you welded from left to right, go back and weld from right to left. This helps balance the heat distribution and minimizes warping. Don't forget about using heat sinks. These can be as simple as copper or aluminum bars placed near your welds. Heat sinks absorb excess heat and help keep the surrounding metal cool, reducing the chances of warping. And here's a bonus tip: practice, practice, practice. Welding is as much about skill as it is about knowledge. The more you practice these techniques, the better you'll get at controlling heat and preventing warping. Alright, let's recap quickly. 1. Use clamps and fixtures. 2. Preheat your metal. 3. Use shorter welds. 4. Try backstepping. 5. Utilize heat sinks. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of welding without warping your metal. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy welding.